everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We just arrived here at the Aira Hotel last night, and I decided to go ahead and show it to you. Aira is one of three Kingsford brand hotels that we've stayed in so far. The first one being the Nisa, which is in another video I'll link down below. Second is the Pippa, which is actually right next door. You can see above me. The Pippa is over here, and the Aira is right across the driveway over here. So anyways, we'll show you around the facilities, we'll show you what the breakfast looks like, the room, and then we'll let you know our thoughts and give you a Voyager Smith score on it. So thanks, and stick around to the end to see the score. Thanks, everybody.
Welcome to Voyager Smith. In 2024, my wife and I sold our house and all of our belongings and left for Thailand from the United States with our 2 Labrador retrievers. Join us as we review all of our travel and talk about our experiences living abroad. And if you find this information useful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. It really helps us out. Now enjoy the video. The Aira Hotel enjoys a strategic location on Sukhumvit Soi 11, one of Bangkok's most dynamic and lively neighborhoods. Sukhumvit is known for its cosmopolitan atmosphere with easy access to shopping malls, restaurants, nightlife, and cultural attractions. The hotel is conveniently situated near the Nana BTS Skytrain station, making city exploration effortless, whether you're heading to historic temples or world-class shopping at Terminal 21 or bustling entertainment districts. Guests at the Aira Hotel have the option of a variety of room categories ranging from deluxe to more spacious suites. Each room is thoughtfully designed with a blend of modern aesthetics and Thai-inspired decor, featuring plush bedding, stylish furnishings, and floor-to-ceiling windows that offer sweeping views of Bangkok's skyline. High-speed Wi-Fi, smart TVs, well-appointed bathrooms, and in-room amenities ensure a comfortable and connected stay for both leisure and business travelers. The Aira Hotel is one of 9 Kingston Group properties in the Bangkok area. We've currently stayed at the Nisa and the Pippa, and I'll put a link to those videos in the description below. They're all about the same price, right around the $100 US price mark. And they usually include breakfast, especially if you book it on their website. Nice pool. It's on the 8th floor. Just down the steps from the pool is the gym. It's pretty well equipped with machines and free weights. Not large, but okay. Hey, so welcome to the Aira Hotel. We're staying in room 911. I guess that's kind of appropriate for Americans. So here is the room. First thing I'm gonna say is that it's a little bit musty smelling in here, but the AC wasn't on, so looks like you get 1 bathrobe, 1 safe, 1 umbrella, 2 pairs of slippers. Some shelving. Let's take a look at the bathroom. So, pretty nice bathroom, big mirror. Spare towels are under here. Kleenex. Looks like you got the standard dental kit, vanity kit, sanitary bag, shower cap, rainfall shower. Looks like their amenities are their own brand, so you really don't know. What's a place to put your suitcase? Here's your bar. You've got a kettle. Looks like they did the instant coffees. You got Avions for sale for 180 baht. These are the 2 complimentary waters. Here's your fridge. Looks like it's, you know, got some more stuff, some water, that kind of stuff. Looks like these doors are empty. Huge bed. I mean, it's like bigger than a normal king. Desk area, seating area. There is no view, I already checked that. Pretty good sized TV. looks like it's pretty built in, so you're not gonna be able to hook any external devices up to it. But yeah, overall, not too bad. Next to the bed, looks like you've got a couple outlets plus a couple USB-C or USB-A ports. And the same on this side. Next to each bedside, you've got 2 plugs and 2 USB-A ports. Okay, so I'm having breakfast at the Aira Hotel. You can see the view outside me. I'm sitting across from the old beer house. So one thing I've noticed about this hotel so far is that these tend to be really pushing the kitchen pretty hard here. So they have I'm looking at a TV screen. There's unlimited drinks from 5 to 7 for 850 Thai baht person. Value set lunch for 250 baht a person. That's appetizer, main dish, and dessert. Buy 2, get 1 free draft beer for 200 baht. Still a little pricey for a beer. Sip and splash out by the pool. I'm gonna take you out to see the pool. Different wraps and rolls. Like it's just rotating the menu. It's going crazy. So I'll definitely sample some of these things and go up to the pool and take a look at the gym and see how all those things are. So stick around. So this is the dining area for the breakfast buffet, and they also serve lunch and dinner in here. Pretty spacious. The breakfast buffet was nice. I would say better than the Pippa's as far as there was more there. Maybe not as quite as good as the Nisa, so I kind of put the Aira Hotel in the middle as far as the breakfast buffet goes. But they had a wide assortment of things. They had your Asian dishes. I did discover that I love spicy noodle soup for breakfast. So anyways, I'll let you watch and enjoy it. This is a look at their rooftop bar. I think it's called Pastel. Obviously it was in the morning, so the cleanup crew was in there cleaning up from the previous night. So our final thoughts on this hotel. The room was a 6. That musty smell never went away, and it became pretty apparent that the room was previously a smoking room, and it still had that smell. If we'd stayed for more than one night, we would have asked for a different room. The bed was good. It was a 9. Pool, 10. Service was a 10. Breakfast was a 7. It was okay. Wi-Fi was good overall. It's definitely more for people who were in Bangkok to party. It is kind of a party hotel. So that's it. See you next time.